Stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra is not a stranger to controversy, but this time for one of his modified songs, a popular filmy song that he has now changed, adding to targeting one of the ministers, a deputy chief minister. From the description clearly looks like Eknath Shinde, and says how he split the party and brought down the government. The comedian has stoked a controversy, however, because of the latest special. Shiv Sainik seeing red over the song, claiming Shinde has been insulted and that he was a man who's raised up, who's come up the political ladder completely by his own hard work and is being insulted by Kunal Kamra. They vandalized the property, the comedy club where Kamra had performed. They are demanding action against him. Sena workers burnt Kamra posters also right outside the comedy club where he had performed. Now, the comedian also reportedly has been booked for this joke song on Shinde after a complaint was filed by the Shiv Sena Neta. However, for now, because of the vandalism, 20 people have been booked. A Sena youth worker has been detained by the Mumbai police, but the Shiv Sena leaders continue to hit out en masse against Kamra. They are saying that Shinde is a self-made leader, drove an auto, went on to lead Maharashtra by public mandate, and this is classist arrogance. Shiv Sena leaders are also alleging that he's being funded and supported by the UBT Sena. That's why he's making all these remarks. Uddhav Sena, meanwhile, claims only an insecure coward would react to even a song. He says that they're saying that Kamra's song is completely true. Aditya Thackeray called the vandalism a bid to undermine Chief Minister Fadnavis and Shinde.
This is on the ground floor of this particular building is a hotel, and above that was a studio wherein the recording of the Kunal Kamra's video had taken place. According to Mumbai police, around 7:38 this video was uploaded, and soon after around 10:30 when news of this video wherein a remark was made against Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde was uploaded. At that time, about 15 to 20 Shiv Sainiks just barged into this place. You can see this entire hotel, the glass sheets were broken, the reception was vandalized, and they went inside and ransacked the entire place. The police has been deployed right outside since then. The barricading of this place has been done to make sure that no one really enters, and the crime scene is intact so that the investigation can go further. Right here is all the goods that have been laid down after cleaning up the entire studio that has been kept here. So certainly the administration, the hotel people as well as the studio in charge, they are trying to make sure that this entire studio and the hotel is get back to normalcy so that the business can be conducted. But at this juncture, yes, the investigation by Mumbai police is of prime importance in both these cases. One that is being registered against Kunal Kamra, and the one that is registered against the Shiv Sainiks for vandalizing this location. With cameraman Siddesh in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.
My party's founder, Balasaheb Thackeray, was himself a cartoonist, a caricaturist. So that's one part. But elitists and classist people who are disguised as comedians and pose as comedians, I think they need to be called out. And yesterday what we saw was a crass attempt to help distract and take attention away from a legal matter that's troubling the UBT party, and essentially to become elitist and to praise and support those who the country has completely rejected. The country has completely rejected a monarchical way of operating political parties where they are run as family-run enterprises. In my opinion, these are not comedians. These are elitist, classist people, and who are completely disconnected from political reality.
I don't think that you should just go to any extent for your own publicity. What Kunal's done is the lowest of low, because Eknath Shinde is not some ordinary leader. He is a mass leader, has been the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, is the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and if you cannot understand that freedom of expression cannot be accepted as freedom of vulgarity, then there's bound to be a backlash. Because look at the kind of supporters that Eknath Shinde has, they are going to hit back if you do not understand and comprehend that with freedom of expression comes a sense of responsibility. Question, satire is welcome if it is based on work, but to use words like Gaddar, to say Devendra Fadnavis ke godi mein jaake baithe hain, this is not acceptable. And if you cannot respect the sentiments of all the Shiv Sainiks, then I think that the time has come for him to also wrap up his comedy and treat it as a tragedy.
कुछ पैसे के लिए हमारे ऊपर टीका टिप्पणी कर रहे हैं, हमारे नेता के ऊपर टीका टिप्पणी कर रहे हैं। कुणाल कामरा, अब तुम महाराष्ट्र नहीं, हिंदुस्तान में भी अभी घूम नहीं सकते। हमारे शिवसैनिक है ना, आपको आपकी जगह दिखाएंगे। और संजय राउत यूबीटी वाले, क्या आपकी हालत हुई है? अरे हमें बुरा लग रहा है। हमारे नेता के ऊपर टीका टिप्पणी करने के लिए आपके पास कार्यकर्ता भी नहीं बचे। संजय राउत, अगर आप में हिम्मत है ना, तो आप हमारे ऊपर टीका टिप्पणी करो। ये क्या भाड़ोत्री लोग आप हमारे ऊपर टीका टिप्पणी करने के लिए पैसा देके आप इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं।
एक छोटा सा हास्य कलाकार ने हमारे नेता महाराष्ट्र के उप मुख्यमंत्री माननीय एकनाथ राव शिंदे जी के ऊपर नीचे के स्तर पे जाके टीका की है। उसके खिलाफ आज हमने अंधेरी पूर्व के MIDC पुलिस स्टेशन में FIR दर्ज किया है और DCP साहब हो, ACP साहब, सीनियर साहब, सबसे हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि इसके ऊपर जल्द से जल्द कार्रवाई हो। और मैं आपके माध्यम से उसको मैसेज देना चाहता हूं कि आने वाले 2 दिन में माननीय शिंदे साहब की माफ़ी मांगे, नहीं तो मुंबई का शिव सैनिक उसको जहां रास्ते पे दिखेगा उसको मुंह पे काला पोंछेगा। तो इतने बड़े नेता के बारे में जो बोला है वो अपनी प्रसिद्धि के लिए बोला है। कल हम शिवसेना के सभी आमदार इसके ऊपर माननीय गृह मंत्री से मिलने वाले हैं और उसके ऊपर जल्द से जल्द कार्रवाई की मांग करने वाले हैं।
केस में ठाकरे परिवार का जैसे ही नाम आता है, क्या लोगों का ध्यान भटकाने के लिए जानबूझकर के कुणाल कामरा ने यह समय चुना? ठाकरे गुट के कहने पर क्या कारण है? अब समय आ गया है वो जहां दिखे उसके मुंह को कालीन पोंछने का। अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी के नाम पर वो ओछी पब्लिसिटी पाने के लिए अभद्र भाषा का प्रयोग नहीं कर सकता।
अगर आपको किसी की बात पसंद नहीं आती है तो आप उस पर कानूनी कार्रवाई कर सकते हैं, उसको गिरफ्तार कर सकते हैं, FIR कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हिंसा नहीं कर सकते। किसी के न रहते उसके ऑफिस में जाकर तोड़फोड़ नहीं कर सकते। वरना क्या अंतर रह गया आपके अंदर और नागपुर में जो हिंसा हुई उसके अंदर? नागपुर में भी तोड़फोड़ हुई, वहाँ भी लोगों ने मारामारी की, यहाँ भी तोड़फोड़ हुई। और यहाँ की तोड़फोड़ ज़्यादा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है क्योंकि यहाँ पुलिस भी साथ में दिखाई दे रही है वीडियो फुटेज में। कुणाल कामरा ने अगर कोई ऐसी बात कही है जिससे आपको आपत्ति है तो आप संवैधानिक प्रक्रिया के अंतर्गत आकर काम करिए।
कुणाल कामरा ने क्या किया? देखिए, कॉमेडियन रहे, लेखक रहे, कवि रहे, जो समाज में घटनाएं घटित होती है उस पर वो टिप्पणी करते हैं। और अगर स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी से इतनी तकलीफ है, वहाँ की भाषा से इतनी तकलीफ है, तो फिर उसको पूरी तरह बंद कर देना चाहिए। AI भी हमने देखा है, उसके बाद में हमने कुछ और उस तरीके के प्रोग्राम देखे हैं। तो टिप्पणी से इतना डरना क्यों? ये तो फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच के खिलाफ है, ये तो संविधान के खिलाफ है।